Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to lock apps with fingerprint on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to security and privacy. From here, just tap on more security settings and go to secure folder. Now just tap on continue to create your secure folder. Now after that, just select your lock type. You can select between a PIN, a password, or a pattern. I will select the pattern. Now just enter your pattern, then tap on continue. Now after that, just enter your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Then tap on confirm and select allow. Now from here, just make sure you enable fingerprints. Now just select the lock screen type which you like. Now just create your pattern. Now just enter your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Tap on done, then tap on continue. Now to register your fingerprint, just tap on register. Now just press your finger inside this circle and lift your finger when the circle is fully highlighted. Just like that. Now just tap on done. Now once you do that, just tap on next. Now as you can see, we have successfully set up the secure folder on our smartphone. Now to lock the apps using your fingerprint, just tap on the plus icon. And from here, just select the apps which you want to lock. Now once you select the apps which you want to lock, just tap on add. Now if you turn on your smartphone, and if you try to open the secure folder, it will ask you to enter your fingerprint. Now if the fingerprint option did not appear on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just go to security and privacy. Then tap on more security settings, and from here just select secure folder. Then tap on lock type. Now just enter your pattern. From here, just disable the fingerprint option and enable it back. Now once you do that, and if you go back to the secure folder, it will ask you to enter your fingerprint. And this is how you can lock apps with fingerprint on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.